Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Feyi Eniola and I'm excited to be speaking to you today again. All right, if you are just coming in contact with my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, click the notification button, and let's go. All right, today I want to show you how you can make money on freelance website using a simple tool without no skill at all. So what I'm saying is this: you don't have a skill, no problem. You don't have money to invest in some skill, no problem. You don't have tools to use, no problem. I'm going to help you start today using a simple tool that will transform the way you make money online. So this particular method will help you start making money online without no investment, zero investment. And let me tell you this website is owned by me. I own the website, all right, and I'm going to be giving you for free to use, and I'll show you the use case and how you can make money from this particular tool. Is a website that I own, and I will want you to register quickly because I will soon stop the free registration. But finish this video and see how you can benefit from this particular website without no investment, no skill. You'll make money online, 100% guaranteed. So how does this work? Let's get started. First, I'll be using Fiverr as a use case. You can use any other website. You can use any other freelance website, Upwork, Freelance, all of that. But I'll be using Fiverr. Now, you'll be checking what we'll be doing here. You'll be offering a gig on website analysis. Website analysis is what you'll be doing. All right. So there are a number of people that offer this website, this particular service, and this is a top-rated seller. So I'm not encouraging us to even go into this. This guy has been on Fiverr for a long time, and their basic gig is $60. And this guy had about 921 reviews, meaning that he has sold way around 1,000 services to different people. Okay, so let's come and look for something that is not as top rated as that. Let's look for someone that is simple. Okay, this guy, I think this guy has 17 sales. He's still selling his basic for $5. So let's see what this guy's got. And let's check this also. This guy has 11 and he's selling at 25. Let's see which one works better. I will provide manual SEO audit reports, competitors website audit and analysis. All right, this is one that we can use. All right, this guy says I will do. This is his basic gig on the right hand side. Standard gig is for 15. His premium is 25. So basic gig says SEO report of your website including recommendations and solutions. This particular service will be done automatically with the website I just told you about. You don't need to do anything. Just put the website you want to analyze and how the work will be done by this software, this app or website that I'm referring to. Now, number 2, SEO audit report, tailored action plan, SEO optimization, 1K research analysis. All these things can be done on that website. So, and this guy is charging $5 for the basic, and it says that it will do more competitor analysis and all of that for 15. It just increases the number of keyword and all of that we do. So let's leave this. Let's come here and see what this guy is offering. Okay, this guy says we do the same, but his basic gig is 25. He said I will do one competitor analysis, SEO report, ranking factor, PDF report. All of this can be delivered by this particular website free. So you don't need any skill, and I'm serious about it. I will show you in a moment. Okay, for the 5 3 competitors, SEO, just the same thing. The only thing that increases here is the number of competitors. It will give you SMR, robot text, the SEO audit reports, and all of that. Just the same thing. Then this guy increased to 5 competitors for 75. So now you might be wondering how you're going to do this. This website will show you the competitor website of the websites you analyze it. So it's very easy for you to get the competitors analyzed also. You just put their URL and you do all this auditing, and you send the PDF to this person. So instead of wasting your data on watching movies on YouTube and all of that, watching movies is not bad. I'm not saying it's bad. You need to relax at times, but what I'm saying is you can be more productive with the use of your data. And one way you can do that is get on freelance websites like Fiverr, like Upwork, like Fiverr, and all of that. And once you are there, what you want to do is you render this particular service. In fact, if you are not doing this on Fiverr, if you are considering using it elsewhere, you can copy this guy gig, write all of it, and just put it and change some things to fit your own your service. Okay, 100% money back guarantee, on time delivery, competitor analysis, backlink analysis. All of these things can be done on this website free of charge, and you'll be collecting money for it. So, what is the website? Let me show you. I don't want to waste your time. f.biztools.com. F hyphen or dash biz biztools.com. So let's go there. I'm already logged in, so it's just take me to the dashboard, hopefully. If not, what I need to do is, okay, so once you are here, I'm already logged in, so if I click login, it will just redirect me. You have to sign up here, okay? If you want to do testing, you can test here, put a website, you still analyze it, but it will not be detailed enough. You need to log in to be able to get the best of it. This pricing here is not yet active. I'm not putting any prices, free of charge for the moment, so you can always use it, and I'm giving you my word on that. So then this, you sign up, all right? Once you sign up, it gives you the option to put your email address and all of that. Once you put your email address, you need to go and confirm that email address. Then you can start using this particular website to make money online without no skill. So login. So we are here. The first thing that you see is this dashboard. The reason you are seeing all this figure, all these statistics, is because I have already added a website to monitor this website. This particular website is able to monitor website for me, the traffic. Instead of going through Google Analytics, everything I need is here on this particular platform. The number of visitors that had visited the website, UK, the visitor countries, 5 countries: UK, US, Nigeria, China, and the operating system that they use to visit this website. Everything is there. This is direct search from Google in the last 7 days. This is direct, and this is the time spent. But we are not coming there now. What we want to do now, all right, what we want to do now is I want to show you how to use this particular platform to make money as a freelancer without having the skill that is required. This website will do all the work for you. So how do we go about that? You come here and say analysis tools. Just by your left hand side, you will see analysis tool. Then from there you come to website analysis. There are other tools you can use for different things, but I will focus in only on this. The visitor analytics is what showed that what's it called, the information I showed you earlier about the visitors that came to the website and all of that, and you can equally use that also. So let's say action. So this is going to bring out a list. These are lists of the website that I've analyzed before, so that you understand that this thing is real and I've been using it before now. So you want to analyze, I want to show you how it works actually. Once I just click new analysis, it asks you to enter the domain name. So let's say, for example, what's the popular domain? Let's use Google. I've used Google already. What other domain name can we use? What? Okay, FXTM. That's the Forex. No. I don't want to advertise for any company here. But let's use Facebook. Facebook is already on Facebook.com, for example. And let's analyze Facebook. Let's see what we get out of Facebook. This will take about a minute. I don't think it's up to 2 minutes till you get the result. And once the result is out, all you need to do is just take the PDF report and go give your customer on your freelance website. It's as simple as that, and you take payment for it without doing anything at all. Alright, the process has started, and once it is completed, you would see a detailed analysis. So you can see that it's actually analyzing this website. Backlink steps, mobile friendly completed, most Alex setup completed, Facebook setup step completed. All of this is being done automatically. The meta step is being completed, and all you need to do is just after this is completed, is you'll be able to generate a PDF report. You get the PDF report. The action plan will already be in the PDF report, and you just take it and do what? You give it to your customer. It is as simple as that, people. It's as simple as that, and you don't need to stress yourself thinking, oh, I don't have money to invest online business, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to do it. All right, that should not be a problem from now onward. Okay, that should not be a problem from now onward. Let's see how it goes. Google index meta completed, remaining 21. Alright, and there you go. Facebook.com has been completely analyzed using this website. Alright, so what is the next thing to do? You want to click this report, detailed report. Click it, and it's going to show you. All right, this is an overview of the entire analysis. Now you will notice that Facebook is actually blocking redirecting to their website, and I've never even noticed this. Facebook is blocking their domain age and all of that, and that maybe you will not be able to see these things and know them. Alright, these are related websites. They are related websites are competitors' website. Google, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, blah blah blah. So the search engine optimization, where it is located, where this what was it called? The domain is registered, all of these things. Now, I believe that there's a level of security that Facebook intentionally puts on their website in order to avoid being scraped. All right, and that is why we are having some of these. For example, this ought not to be 0. This ought not to be 0. Facebook.com. It is registered, and the domain name should also be here. Now it says the domain authority, so I believe that Facebook is blocking certain part of their website security. However, this is what we are going to do. The number of shares on website, these are social media analysis of this particular of Facebook. The keyword and the meta tag. Alright, this is showing from Poland, I think. Blocked by robot text, blocked by meta, you see. So if let's do another analysis. Actually, let's use another website which is not as security crazy like Facebook. So let's come here. It's an application also. Let's do Google, for example. So Google is if you have a website, you can check this. It is free. You can always use it. Let's use Google and see how come it can go. This should be done in. You see that it doesn't take time, a minute or two. So this website will help you. It will help you. You can register. Then get your email verified and log in. Do some testing. Then you post these things on create gigs on Fiverr. I'll be making some other videos on how to create gigs on Fiverr and maybe even to run. So let's see the detailed report of Google, for example. Alright, this is what we should have normally. This is Google. Registered, yes. Domain age 23 years, 10 months, and 27 days. Okay. Name server of this particular website. Domain authority is 88. External quality links. Domain authority 94. Subdomain raw. This is the overview of the desktop section of the website. Total link count, backlink count, most rank 9/10. Mobile friendliness is 69.61. And if you are checking for your customer, it will also show this, so you can tell them when their website is not mobile compliant. All right. This is the painful of that. This information are just here and quite very. Now this is the audited report. These are recommendations. All right, for this particular website. These are recommendations. Keep request count low and transfer size small. Eliminate render blocking. So you will be giving advice or recommendations like we saw in that particular guy's gig. So that is it. These are recommendations, time blocking, JavaScript execution time, and all of that. So these are things that they will do. Search engine indexing, a lot of this is Yahoo, this is Bing, IP information of this website. Scan, malware scan is safe, Google safe, not on Mac. So Google is not infected with any kind of virus. All right, and these are related website or competitor website that you can equally use to do competitor analysis. Okay, this is general information. Let's go to the social media network information. Okay, Google website has been shared on Facebook, Facebook reactions, Facebook comments, Pinterest, Buffer, and all of that, Reddit, and all of that. So let's go to keyword and meta tag information. It's just Google, and there isn't any serious issue. This is actually paraphrasing from Poland, and this is why it's showing this. So if it were to be in English, then you see the English words. Then Alexa information. Global rank is number 1. Daily time on site 17 minutes. Search engine traffic. Total site bounce rate is 20.8%. Similar time by audience overlap. That is, number of time people use on other websites that are similar to Google. Top keyword gap. Keyword driving traffic to competitor but not to this site. What people are looking for in other websites that is not that but is not here. Fortnite, Microsoft Store, Deadpool 2. Top easy to rank keyword. Simvina and all of this. This is based on Polish website. Top keywords that show in high purchase instant. App Store, Best Buy, Microsoft Store, Free Fire. Very popular keyword, already driving some traffic to this site. So the long and short is this. This website shows you and gives you detailed analysis of any website that you put here and helps you to make money. After this is done, let's assume that I want to give this to a customer on Fiverr. All I need to do is just click download report, and the PDF version will be downloaded. And with that PDF version, you can show the customer that we have really worked on their website with the recommendations already there. So let me check that out. Okay, it's coming up. Start download. That's my download manager. Download is complete. Website analysis. Open. So let's see how this goes. The PDF file is opening, and I just want to show you what the PDF file looks like. And it is a very, very wonderful app to use. Aside this, there are other things you can actually do from the analysis tools also. From the analysis tool, you can also check ranking, website ranking, and Alexa data. You have Alexa rank, Alexa data, most search engine index. So all of these things you can easily check them. All right, on this website, what would you normally pay for on some SEO platform and all of that. So you see, this is it. You can easily edit you can come here and edit this particular page. You can easily edit it and put your information and business information or company information as the case may be. So this is it, the mobile version, everything and the recommendations, everything is here in one PDF file. And you don't need to stress yourself. This will make you a lot of money as a freelancer, okay? So just get started, get on this website, register, have your email verified, log in and start working. Now let's see, this is Alexa rank. You actually run this also as an additional service. Okay, you can do link analysis, keyword analysis, all on this website, domain analysis, many things can be done. Visitors analysis, where you can plug in customers' email website and let them monitor how what is it called? Customers are coming to their website and show them these things in real time. There are other services there that you can use. You have the utility and all of that. But for now, I will limit this video to website analysis as I've shown you. So get on it, start making money. You don't have an excuse again. You don't have an excuse. Start making money from this time onward. My name is Feyi Eniola. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now. Just click down below, subscribe to this YouTube channel, all right, and click the notification button to be notified of new videos that I will be publishing from time to time. And if you have questions, drop it in the comment below. I will always answer you. You can see that in my videos I answer questions on the comment below, and I will do that as much as I have time to. All right, thank you very much for watching. Do not forget, support me by subscribing. Thank you.